How to change country on Amazon app. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can change country on Amazon app. For this, you want to open the Amazon shopping app on your device. If you don't have this application, head over to Play Store or App Store to download and install this. Now, make sure to sign into your account. Now, if you have moved countries and you want to change the country on the Amazon app as well, then all you want to do is tap on the profile icon at the bottom of your screen. Once you get here, on the top right corner, you have the flag icon over here. Go ahead and tap on this. Now you get to select country or region as well as the language that you want to shop in. So to change the country, you want to tap on country/region option. Now all of the countries over here will be displayed. So you can simply tap on whichever country it is that you want to select. You can also change the language if you want. For this, tap on the language option, and from here you can select the language as well. Then you want to tap on the done option over here. As soon as you tap on the done option, your country on the Amazon app will be successfully changed. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.